In this lesson, we're going to review probability of compound events, and we'll do it with replacement. Don't worry about what this means yet. It'll make more sense afterwards. So, let's say, for example, we want to roll a die and flip a coin. We want to know what the probability of rolling a 6 is and getting a heads. Well, when you have compound events, you actually just multiply the probabilities. The probability of rolling a 6 would be 1 out of 6. And the probability of flipping a heads would be 1/2. So the probability of both of those occurring would be 1 out of 12. So get the probability of rolling an even number and of getting a tails. Out of the 6 numbers on a die, 3 of them are even. So the probability of rolling an even would be 3 out of 6, because we could get a 2, 4, or a 6, and that'll be correct. And of flipping a tails, that's simply 1 out of 2. So when we multiply, we get 3 over 12, and we can reduce this to 1 out of 4. So the probability of getting an even number and flipping a tails would be 1 out of every 4 flips. Let's look at a different example now. Let's say we have a bag that has 4 blue marbles and 2 red marbles. What's the probability of picking a blue marble, then replacing it, so putting it back into the bag, and then picking another blue marble? The probability of getting a blue marble is 4 out of 6. Then the probability of getting it again, or getting a blue marble, not necessarily the same one, would be 4 out of 6. So we can multiply these. I'm going to reduce them first. 2/3, 2/3, and we get 4 out of 9. Let's look at another one, the probability of getting a blue marble. Okay, then after you pick it, you put it back in the bag, and then afterwards picking a red marble. So the first marble blue, second marble red. So the probability of getting a blue marble again is 4 out of 6. And the probability of getting a red marble now would be 2 out of 6. Because there's 2 red marbles out of the total 6. And we just multiply them. Let's reduce this first. This becomes 2/3. This would be 1/3. And we get 2 out of 9. So this is an example of finding the probability with replacement. So if we take something out, we put it back in. So the number 6 on the bottom stayed the same. After we picked 1 marble, we put it back, and then the probability of the second outcome was based on there being 6 marbles in there again.